how to create line charts for C#.NET applications. Build the exact .NET line chart you need with the ComponentOne FlexChart control. FlexChart is a cross-platform .NET UI component for generating rich data visualizations and dashboards. Create Windows apps using WinForms, WPF, and WinUI, or create web apps using ASP.NET Core MVC or Blazor. You can even use FlexChart in cross-platform mobile apps using .NET MAUI. FlexChart supports a wide range of line chart types, including stacked lines, stacked 100% lines, smooth splines, and step lines. Add data labels, line markers, and annotations to your line charts to highlight specific data points or discover precise values. Combine line charts with other chart types in the same plot area. You can even rotate the axis to create vertical line charts. This demonstrates the flexibility of the FlexChart library. With standard .NET data binding support, you quickly get up and running without writing much code. FlexChart is a one-stop solution for all of your .NET charting needs. Download a free trial today at developer.meshias.com.